Hello students, welcome to SOURAV classes. Let's discuss something regarding hyperbola. So you have, the question goes like this. If alpha plus beta is equal to 3 pi, then the chord joining the points alpha and beta for the hyperbola x square by a square minus y square by b square is equal, this is a equation of hyperbola. So alpha plus beta then passes through what? So if alpha plus beta is equal to 3 pi, then it's clear that alpha plus, then the chord joining the points alpha and beta for the hyperbola x square by a square minus y square by b square is equal to 1 passes through what? Focus, center, one of the end point of the transverse axis, one of the end point of the conjugate axis. Let's find out. The solution is equation of chord joining alpha and beta is x by a cos alpha minus beta by 2 minus y by b sin alpha plus beta by 2 is equal to cos alpha plus beta by 2. Now you see that if I put, see, it's already given that alpha plus beta is equal to 3 pi. So if I put alpha plus beta is equal to 3 pi, what will be the, the picture, how it will look like? It will become like x by a cos alpha minus beta by 2 minus y by b, that will become plus, and this will be 3 pi by 2, so it will be 1, sin 3 pi by 2 it will be 1, so plus y by b, and this will become 0, 3 pi cos 3 pi cos pi cos 2 pi cos 3 is always 0. So that becomes your this kind of equation, x by a cos alpha minus beta by 2 plus y by b is equal to 0, and that passes through what? Center. Okay, so your answer B, option B, correct. Okay, this is your correct option, center, because this line will always pass through the center. So B, center, is the correct option. Thank you for watching our video.